Hello, you beautiful people. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on because you don't want to miss any of my future videos. I'm uploading on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. However, like I've said many times, Christmas and Halloween is here, so I'm uploading all the time. Today is obviously a bonus video because I wanted to get up my Beetlejuice reviews straight away. Don't know what that hand was all about. I haven't got a clue. So if you watched yesterday's video, I did a full reveal video showing you the full Beetlejuice collection, and I went through all the currencies, so pound, dollars, euros, Australian dollars. Today we're going to go through the collection. I'm going to try as much as I possibly can. I'm going to start by opening up the mirror. Oh my god, this is what it looks like because it's just got like a little handle. So let's compare this to my favourite mirror ever. So this is the difference between the Corpse Bride mirror and the Beetlejuice one. So the Beetlejuice one obviously is longer, it's got a bit of a different shape. The handles the handles are nearly enough the same height. This one is thicker and it also has it's like thicker like that way, like width, whereas the Beetlejuice one is thinner. We also have the brush set that we'll try today. So this has 5 different brushes in it. 4 of them are kind of eyeshadow brushes, and the other one is like a eyeliner, fine like long eyeliner brush. So these are what the brushes look like. So we have like a packing on brush, a blending brush, which actually looks like a really nice size. They feel really fluffy. Then we have like a pencil brush, which would be good for packing on the inner corner, outer corner, or if you wanted to do like a really precise like application of like packing a colour on, they work really well. And then we also have like this angled one, which you could use for eyeliner, you could use for eyeshadow, for anything really. And then we have the long, let's take this off, the long fine liner one. So let's just get straight into it, and I'll show you the products that we're using along the way so I don't take up too much time in the video. So this is what the main palette looks like that we're going to be using. This is just what it looks like, and then it opens up like this. And then this is the inside of the palette. I'm so happy with the colours that are in here, and I love the little like beetles that also like the colour of the beetle matches the eyeshadow. I think that's so cute. Oh my god, I've got glitter on my face from a look that I did yesterday, so please just excuse that because I cannot get it off. So I'm just going in with the Revolution Super Base Primer just to prime my lid, and then I'm just going to blend that out with a Jessup Concealer Buffer Brush. It's the 142. So let's start with this packing on brush from the collection, and I'm going to start off with the shade Waiting Room, which is the black, and I'm just going to start by packing that black in the outer corner. Just like so. I'm gonna kind of like wing it out a little bit as well. Oh, my eyes sore. Only like a little bit because I'll use the purple to wing it out properly, but I still want that bit of depth there. And then taking a I Heart Revolution brush, which just looks like this, I'm gonna go in with the shade Do You Like It, which is this dark purple here. And I'm gonna apply that on top of the edge of that black. And then going in with the fluffy blending brush from the collection, I'm going to go in with the shade Just Sit, which is just like a slightly lighter purple. This is when like a lighter purple would have been really helpful because I could have used that to blend out this one. Oh, but actually it's blending it out really well. Okay, I like that. So I'm basically just using that colour, just a tiny little bit of it, just to blend out this edge of this purple. Oh my god, that blends together so beautifully. I'm really happy with how that's turned out. So I'm going to take an I Heart Revolution brush, which looks like this, and we're going to go in with green for the front of the eye. And I'm going to go in with It's Showtime, this one here. And I'm going to put that right at the front of the lid. So I'm just going to put this in the crease. Oh my god, I'm actually obsessed how this is turning out. And then I'm going to take the Buff and Blend Emma Femin O2 brush, which just looks like this. And I'm going to go in with the shade Make My Millennium, which is this one here. And again, this is when like a white shade would have been really helpful, or like a lighter green would have been really good. But I think this will still blend it out really nicely. And it's got like a bit of like a grunge to it. So I feel like it'll just tie in with that purple so well. So I'm just basically using that just to blend right around the edge with that green that we've just packed on. So as much as I want to go in with the gold, I won't because it's all I do recently. So instead, I'm going to go in with the colours that kind of match, oh, it might even focus, the colours that match the actual shadow themselves. So I'm going to go in with Sandworm for the front part of my eye, and then I'm going to go into Beetlejuice. I never ever know how to say that. So I'm going to go into that one, and then I'll probably blend it into maybe like this darker one, this darker purple. So it blends like really nicely into like the black matte in the outer corner. So I'm going to start off, I'm going to use this little brush to pack on the green one. So we're going to go in with Sandworm, and just going to pack that. Ooh, it's actually gone on really nice with a brush. Normally I don't like it with a brush. But yeah, I'm just going to pack that right in. Look at that, it's really easy to pack on as well. In that inner corner and all over like the first little bit of my lid. Wow. I'm really impressed by that. Why is it not focusing? That's gone on really, really easily. Like, really easily. I can't get over how well that's just applied. And then I'm going to just go in with the same brush, but I'm going to obviously go in with that pinkier one to begin with. And just pick some of that up and then pack, oh my god, that's stunning. Some of that on the middle bit here. That is both them shimmers applied. And then going in with that darker shimmer that I showed you, which is called 3 Times. All you're going to do is say my name 3 times. It must be spoken, unbroken. And I'm just packing that just a little bit into that outer corner, and then that'll just blend. As you can see, it just seamlessly then blends into that matte black. So this is just what it looks like with it all blended together. Obsessed. So I'm just going in with a flat packing on brush, and I'm going in with this shade here, which is like a sparkly, like a lighter inner corner greeny colour. I was going to go in with like the nude one, but this looks stunning and it matches that green perfectly. I mean, I'm sorry. Beautiful. It's not as green when you put it on, it's just got like that tint of green to it, so it just matches the look perfectly. And then also popping some, of course, underneath my brow bone. So yeah, this is what the eye look is looking like so far. I'm just going to do a little clean up and we'll come back and we'll try the sponge. So I'm going to apply the Real Love Super Matte 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer. I'm going to use the shade F6. And as always, I'm just going to dot this all over my face. I would absolutely love to know, are you going to pick anything up from this collection? Is there anything that you are eyeing up in particular? Please let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to know. And we're going to try the sponge with this foundation. So this is obviously the Beetlejuice sponge. And then this is just what the sponge looks like. I'm just going to use it dry because I'm lazy and I can't bother getting back up. And I have been finding that a dry sponge has been working really well for me recently, so yeah, I'm just going to use a dry sponge and just tap all of that out. It's still really soft considering it is dry. So I've gone in with a lighter concealer because I don't want to be like too bronzy, obviously for Beetlejuice look. I'm just going to blend that in. And then obviously we have like a pressed powder in the collection. This is the white base pressed powder, and I'm guessing maybe you could probably use this as like a full base, but I want to try it underneath my eyes to see whether it keeps that whiteness, and also to see whether it's kind of like one that I could use as like a brightening one. So it just says obviously Beetlejuice, can't say words out, on it, and then I'm just going to take a P. Louise brush and, oh my god, yeah, tap that underneath. Because you're going to go in with a big powder brush and use that to set my full face with that powder as well, just to lighten my full face up a bit. Make me look a bit more Beetlejuicy. Do I look a little bit more dead? That's what I'm kind of going for, Beetlejuice, you know what I mean? So that is the powder applied. I have put quite a bit on so that it does show up more white on my face. I'm thinking if you use like a face paint to paint your face white, you could use this to set it without losing any of like the brightness of the white. So yeah, that's really like a different kind of product. Quite interesting with that one. As for the sponge, super soft, blended everything out perfectly. Got no issues with that bad boy. Okay, so that is the matte applied underneath my eyes. Looks beautiful. And I just use obviously the same colours from the palette. And I really want to go in with one of the eyeliners from the eyeliner set. So you get 5 different eyeliners in here, and I'm sure it was like £8, which is such a bargain. So these are the colours that you get. So you get like a darker purple, a green, a black, a lilac, and then a white as well. And I'm going to go in, I think, actually I'm going to go in with a green just because we haven't got too much green on the actual eye. Okay, it's like weirdly in there. I don't know if that makes any sense. But let's see what this is like. Okay, the green eyeliner was a good shout. Really easy to apply, really, really smooth, and yeah, just built up really easily as well. So really happy with that. Oh my god, so now we have the mascara. So this is the green formula for lashes, brows and hairs. It's their Strange and Unusual mascara, and you will all know from yesterday's video that it says green. It's a green mascara, and obviously like it says on the actual box, you can use this for lashes, brows and hair. I'm not going to use it for my hair because I'm going to the hairdressers after this, but I will use it for my brows and I will use it for my lashes as well. So let's just go straight in. Ooh, okay. Oh my god, so you can have it so it's a little tin, or you can really build it up so that your whole brow is green. I love it. I absolutely love it. Let me do the other brow. Oh my god, I've never tried colour on my brows before. This is crazy. Really, really easy to apply and just like done like straight away. Really, yeah, I'm quite surprised by that. And then let's try it on the lashes because it just feel like a bit of a like a thicker, like not as runny formula. It's what I'm used to from Rev, so oh my god, it's working. It's crazy. Do you know what? It's actually a really good mascara. Obviously, I know it's green, but the actual formula itself is really good. I would have liked this to have been like a black one as well, because that's just kept my lashes up. I don't know if it is because it is a drier formula, but that looks so good. I'm not gonna lie, I am obsessed with this green mascara. Look how good it looks. I'm honestly, I love it. Okay, I did not expect that. Did not expect that at all. I actually fucking love it. I actually swear, because the love is just too strong. Let's go in with the highlighter palette. So this is the handbook for the recently deceased highlighter palette, and it has 3 different shades inside. I actually cannot get over how good that green mascara looks. Like, it looks banging, absolutely banging. So this is what the highlighters look like. I'm going to go in with the lightest one in the middle. I'm just going to take a Spectrum B08 brush for this. And let's see what this is like. Whoa, okay, blinding, clearly. Wow. 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 Just, yeah. Like, just what? The highlight is stunning. It's lighter than it looks in the pan, because in the pan I think, oh, is that going to be still not light enough for me? But it's lighter when you actually apply it. So I think I probably would be able to get away with that middle shade if that's the same, where it's lighter when you put it on. I'm not going to put any bronzer on because I don't really want to bronze this kind of look up, because obviously it's like Beetlejuice, dead and all that. But how do I keep doing this? I don't know why I keep doing that. But we have one last thing to try in this video, and then everything else in the collection I will test out in tomorrow's video. So make sure you have that notification bell turned on. But today obviously we're going to use the Beetlejuice lipstick. So it says, "Here lies Beetlejuice." And then the packaging is black, and then the actual lipstick itself is like this nudie colour. I will say, I'm glad, and I did say this in my review yesterday, I'm glad in some ways that the lipsticks are wearable for people who love Beetlejuice, but I wish there was maybe just one in there. Now that I'm filming my look, maybe just one in there that would have been like a deep purple. Not a black, because I've had so many blacks recently when I've been trying Halloween collections, but like a deep purple would have been beautiful. I forgot to say as well, it's got the little beetle on the actual packaging, which is so cute. And then let's just tack this bad boy on my lips. Ooh. That is a nice colour. It is like a creamy formula, but not like ridiculously creamy. I feel like this would probably last quite well. So that is just what the lip colour looks like applied. This is why I think like a deep purple would have gone really nice, just to kind of finish off this look. But yeah, this is obviously what the lipstick looks like. And that is everything that we're testing in today's video. Like I said, tomorrow I will test everything else, like the house palette, Lydia's lipstick. We'll also put the lashes on. I have the eyeliners to try in that one as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you tomorrow. In regards to this collection, I think the packaging and everything has been done like 10 out of 10. I was going to swear again. 10 out of 10, like absolutely amazing. The only thing that I would have said about today's look would have been to have a nice purple deep lipstick to put on instead. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will hopefully see you tomorrow for my review number 2. Love you so much. Thank you so much. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.